In this video, we are going to look at an English word which always confuses English learners. However, before that, let's look at the following 4 sentences. Number 1, down a drink. Number 2, look down. Number 3, my classmates are down. And number 4, walk down the street. In all of the above sentences, there is the word down. However, the function of the word down in the first sentence is different from the function of down in other sentences. Hello, welcome to Learn English with Getana. If you don't know me, my name is Getana Berta. Today we are going to look at one of English words that will help us improve our English fluency. In addition, the word will help us sound like a native speaker. So, are you ready? If you are ready, let's get started. Down is a versatile English word because we can use it as a verb, adverb, adjective, and preposition. So let's dissect one by one. First of all, let's look at how the word down is used as a verb. We use the word down as a verb to mean swallow or drink something quickly, shoot something out of the sky, and defeat opponents. ዳውን የምትለዋን ቃል እንደ ግስ መጠቀም እንችላለን። ነገር ግን ትርጉሟ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ጠላታችንን ማሸነፍ ወይንም ተጋጣሚያችንን ማሸነፍ ወይንም ድባቅ መምታት ወይንም ደግሞ የሆነን የሚበላን ነገር ወይንም የሚጠጣን ነገር በፍጥነት ማዋጥ ወይንም ደግሞ በሰማይ ላይ የሚበር ነገር ማስወገድ ምን ይባላል? ዳውን ይባላል። Okay, now let's see some example sentences. The boxer has downed his opponent quickly. The boxer has downed his opponent quickly. So we have downed it as ed at the end. So downed means defeat opponent. በዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ ዳውን ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ጠላትን ማሸነፍ፣ ተጋጣሚን ማሸነፍ። The second example sentence is last month Iran downed thousands of drones. What does it mean? That means Iran shot thousands of drones out of sky. ያም ማለት በዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ዳውን የምትለዋ ቃል ምን ትወክላለች? በሰማይ ላይ የሚበር ነገር ማስወገድ ምን ይባላል? ዳውን ይባላል። And the last one is my siblings are very dehydrated. So they will down 10 liters of water quickly. We have will plus down. That means they will drink 10 liters of water quickly. In this sentence, the word down means to drink water quickly. All right. So, if you want to use down as a verb, it means to defeat or knock out or swallow or drink something quickly or to shoot something out of a sky. The second function of down is as an adverb. That means if you use down as an adverb, it must modify a verb. For example, Arsenal fans are waving the flags up and down. We have the main verb waving, and also we have the adverb down at the end of the sentence. So down is an adverb which modifies the main verb waving. በዛ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ down የምትለዋ ቃል ማንነ ሞዲፋይ የምታደርገው ወደ ኋላ ሄድ ብላችሁ ዋና ግሷን waving የምትለዋን ሞዲፋይ ታደርጋለች። All right. Dave has been running down. Dave has been running down. We have down at the end of our sentence, so it is preceded by running. As you know, running is a main verb, therefore down modifies the main verb running. And the last example sentence is, the students were sitting down when I entered the class. We have down. Before down, there is the main verb sitting, which is modified by the word. So, if you use down as an adverb, it must modify a verb. And the third one is, we can use down as an adjective. That means, if you want to say something or someone is sad or someone is unhappy or someone is depressed, you can use the word down. Okay? የሶስተኛው ደግሞ አንድ ሰው ከከፋው፣ አንድ ሰው ጭንቅ ጠበብ ካለው፣ አንድ ሰው እንደገና ምንም ካልተደሰተ ምን የሚለውን ቃል ተጠቅማችሁ ሞዲፋይ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ዳውን የሚለውን ቃል ተጠቅማችሁ ሞዲፋይ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። Wow. Oh my God, I am feeling the wind. Wow. Oh my God, it's amazing. The wind is amazing here. Alright, now let's see some example sentences. Example number 1. My mother was down after the death of my brother. As you can see, there is the word down after was, so down is used as a predicative adjective, okay? In this context, the word down modifies the noun phrase my mother. So, my mother was down after the death of my brother. The subject my mother is modified by the predicative adjective down. If you want to use down as an adjective, it must be used as a predicative adjective. That means always it must be preceded by be verbs or state verbs. Dowንን እንደ adjective መጠቀም ከፈለጋችሁ እንደምን አይነት adjective መሆን አለበት? እንደ predicative adjective መሆን አለበት። What is a predicative adjective? A predicative adjective is an adjective which is written after a state verb or be verb. ከbe verb ወይንም ከstate verb በኋላ የሚጻፍ የቅጽል አይነት ምን ይባላል? Predicative adjective ይባላል ነው። So, and my mother was down after the death of my brother. The word down is used as a predicative adjective because it is preceded by the be verb was and it modifies the noun phrase my mother. And the second example sentence is, the students are down because they haven't passed the exam. So we have a be verb that is are. It is followed by down. So down is used as an adjective and it modifies the students. Okay? በዛ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ down የምትለዋ ቃል እንደምንድን ያገለገለችን? እንደ ቅጽል ነው ያገለገለችን። ከዳውን በፊት are አለ። are ደግሞ ምንድነው? It is a be verb. So down is used as a predicative adjective. And the last example sentence is the driver looks down. So we have down at the end. And also we have looks before it. You know, looks is not a dynamic verb, okay? And this sentence, looks is not used as a dynamic verb. And instead, it is a state verb. That means we are not using the verb looks to talk about what the driver is doing, okay? And instead, we are using it to show the state of the driver. So, the driver looks down. Down is preceded by looks. Looks is a state verb. Therefore, down is used as a predicative adjective and it modifies the subject, the driver. So, if you want to use down as an adjective, that means sad or unhappy or depressed. And finally, we can use down as a preposition to show direction or movement. ሌላኛውና የመጨረሻው ዳውንን እንደምን መጠቀም እንችላለን? እንደ preposition መጠቀም እንችላለን። When you use a word as a preposition, it must be followed by a noun or a pronoun to create a prepositional phrase. I think everybody knows this one. ሁላችሁም የምታውቁት ይመስለኛል። አንዲትን ቃል እንደ preposition ስትጠቀሙ ከሷ ቀጥሎ ምን መምጣት አለበት? ስም ወይንም ደግሞ ተውላጠ ስም መምጣት አለበት። ምንን ለመፍጠር? prepositional phrase. For example, look, I am on the stone. If I say I am on the stone, there is a preposition that is on. After on, there is the stone. The stone is a noun phrase. So on the stone is a prepositional phrase. So briefly, if you want to use a word as a preposition, it must be followed by either a noun or a pronoun to create a prepositional phrase. Alright, so we can use down as a preposition to show direction or movement. For example, let's see the following 3 example sentences. Number 1, the carpenter will climb down the ladder. The carpenter will climb down the ladder. First of all, let's practice saying this word. C-L-I-M-B. So, climb. Climb. In English, there are words that have MB cluster at the end. So, if you get MB cluster at the end of words, the B sound must be silent. በስተመጨረሻ በኩል MB ያላቸው ቃላቶች B ምን መሆን አለበት? ሳይለንት መሆን አለባት። ስለዚህ CLIMB pronounce አድርጉ ብትባሉም እንደምትሉት climb. You have to say climb. In addition, how do you pronounce this word? Yeah, you are correct. Come. How about this one? Lamb. Because both have MB cluster at the end. So, whenever you experience or face MB cluster at the end of words, the B sound must be silent. Alright, so the carpenter will climb down the ladder. We have down. As you can see, after down there is the ladder. The ladder is a noun phrase because it is a combination of the article the and the noun ladder. እንደምትመለከቱት the ladder የሚለው ስማዊ ሐረግ ነው። ምክንያቱም ስማዊ ሐረግ የምንና የምን ስብስብ ነው? አርቲክል ፕላስ ናውን፣ possessive adjective ፕላስ ናውን ምናምን ከመጡባችሁ እነዚህ ምን ይባላሉ? noun phrases ወይንም ስማዊ ሐረጎች ይባላሉ። So, after the word down, there is the noun phrase the ladder. So, down is used as a preposition. In addition, let's say other example sentence. You need to drive down the hill to get the church. Look at the word that comes after the word down. After down, there is the hill. The hill is a noun phrase because it is a combination of the article the and the noun hill. So together, a noun phrase. Before it, there is down. Down is a preposition. And the third one is the policemen are running down the road to arrest the criminals. Okay, let's look at the words that come after the word down. After down, there is the road. As you know, the road is a noun phrase because it is a combination of the article the and the noun road. So before it, there is down, which is a preposition. So that is all that I have for today. But before I depart you, let me recap the most important points that we have discussed today. Today, we have talked about the word down. Down is a versatile English word because we can use down as a verb, we can use down as an adverb, we can use down as an adjective, and we can use down as a preposition. So, you understand me? If you understand me and if you enjoy my video, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you are not new to my channel, don't forget to smash the like button. Until next time, ciao.